Well, what's going on in the financial markets? With us this morning, every Sunday morning, is John Terrett. Well, John, fill us in. The markets, one day they're up, one day they're down. I mean, we were way over 50,000, and then we were down again. You tell us.
Well, you know what they say in Brooklyn. Things happen.
I heard that someplace.
We had a very data-rich week. We don't often get this much data, but we did last week. Boy, oh boy. We had Jobs Wednesday, of course, not Jobs Friday because it was postponed. 130,000 jobs added, not the 65,000 that Wall Street economists had thought. And unemployment fell as well, and they revised downwards 862,000 jobs that we thought had been created in 2025, but we were wrong, so we had to expunge those from the list. And then, of course, on Friday, we had CPI, which is consumer inflation, and it showed signs of stabilizing. And core inflation, which is what you get when you strip out food and energy, was back to the best it was since 2021. That's remarkable. So the Federal Reserve will meet to discuss interest rates not this month, but next month in March. And they could go either way based on everything I've just said. Wall Street thinks one, maybe two interest rate cuts this year. But I will tell you, the odds for a third rate cut in 2026 have just gone up on Wall Street to 50-50. We have to wait for Powell to exit and Walsh to come on board, I think. Corporate news. Cisco Systems, the company that makes the bits that drive the internet, their margins were much tighter than Wall Street expected, and that caused a big sell-off on Thursday. What is it about Thursdays? Another big tech sell-off on Thursday, which erased the gains for the year for the S&P 500. But the Dow, Nasdaq, and the S&P all much, much better on Friday. In the crypto space, Bitcoin hovering between 65 and 68,000. There was a huge event in Hong Kong this week. It's called Consensus 2026. It's the most influential event in Asia when it comes to cryptocurrency, and Hong Kong is trying to best the United States as being the sort of center of the crypto world. Just a word about EVs as well. Rivian, which is based in California, they make EVs. They have a big tie-up with Amazon. They turned in their first annual gross profit ever, so a little tip of the hat to them, a milestone for them. And Pinterest, the online notice board, is down 44% this year so far. It was down again on Friday after turning in some very, very bad results compared to what Wall Street was looking for. And so to the week ahead, John. Well, tomorrow, Monday, of course, we're closed because it's President's Day, you know, Lincoln's birthday, Washington's birthday, that sort of thing. On Thursday, we get earnings from Walmart, the big shop, which now sees itself as a technology company, and that's why it's based now at the NASDAQ, not the New York Stock Exchange. And on Friday, we get more inflation data. Now, this is PCE. They call it Personal Consumption and Expenditure, and it is the Federal Reserve's favored measure of looking at inflation. So all of that in the week ahead, but a day off tomorrow. John.
John Terrett, thank you for your update, and let's talk again real soon.